Gardendale, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with just a quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northern Birmingham, Trussville, Gardendale, Fultondale, Center Point, Clay, Kinston, Tarrant, Argo, Kimberly, Morris, Brookside, Shopville, Racing Valley, Palmerdale, Village Springs, and Newcastle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Jefferson,